Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. And today I have come up with Avalya layei. Avalo is the Konkani term for gooseberry, and Avalya layei is a preparation that is similar to wine made from gooseberries. This increases the appetite for food and also act as a digestive, and this is prepared in huge clay jars in the olden times. Clay jar is nothing but bharani in Malayalam. Since the family size was big, you need more amount of this Avalya to be prepared. Now we have nuclear families, so you need not have to prepare in large quantities. Here I will be preparing only small amount, that too in glass bottles. Now coming to the ingredients. You need half kg gooseberries and half kg jaggery. Wash and drain water from the gooseberries. Grate the jaggery and keep aside. Take a clean glass jar and put a layer of gooseberries at the bottom. Grated jaggery covering the gooseberries. Now make a second layer of gooseberry on top of the jaggery. Cover the second layer with grated jaggery. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the gooseberries and jaggery. Since glass is transparent to light, cover it with a clean cloth, or you can even put it in a cloth bag. Keep it as such for 41 days. After 41 days, you can see that gooseberries floating on top of the jaggery solution. Open the jar and separate the gooseberries from the solution. You can see the gooseberries have shrunken in size and have lost its color. Discard these gooseberries. The leftover solution is passed through a strainer to remove any other remnants of the gooseberries. This left out solution is used in consumption. Your Avalya layei is ready and you can have it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.